So I'm having this issue with the camera app on the Snapdragon X ASUS laptop. One of the user have reported this issue. Camera fails to reload after first use on Snapdragon X laptop, and the same thing is happening with me. So if you see here, this is the camera app of mine. It keeps on blinking. So what I did actually was when I first booted it, it was opening, and then I have switched on the privacy shutter on this laptop, ASUS Vivobook 16. Uh, After some time, when I open up the privacy shutter, this is what happens. So at the bottom, if you see this thing, so the AI thing also it is having an issue. So this is something I don't know what is happening, but see, the Windows Studio effect also is causing the issue. It may be, and this is what is happening here. So I want Microsoft Windows to look into this issue and resolve it. So I'm giving the feedback for this on this particular post. So we have got it. We got this feedback. What do we do with the feedback? Okay. So, reply to the comment. I'll say I am facing the same issue. In fact, in my case, I close the privacy shutter and then open up after few hours. This is what I also encounter. So this is one thing I'll do, post the comment, and let me see. I have done the I think upvote I have given or not. I have to see. I'll just give the upvote. See, I have the belief that Microsoft do look into these feedbacks that we provide and bring the updates which solve those issues. So I look forward to this. And let me go back and upvote. Where do I give the upvote? Upvote. Okay, here. So I don't find any option to upvote. Why? Okay, I'll give the upvote here. But why, if you encounter, please give similar feedback to report a specific. Okay, I'll give a similar thing. So I'll say reload after first use on Snapdragon laptops, and also when the privacy filter is closed and later open. I am facing the issue with the camera loading and Snapdragon laptop as ASUS Vivobook 16 with Snapdragon X. Also, when I close the privacy shutter and then when I reopen it to use the camera, it does not load and the black screen keeps blinking. ठीक है. That's a problem. Camera app. Next. Next. I'll attach a screenshot. Okay. I can also attach. So, screenshot. I'll start recording. Okay, so this is what is happening. You can see here and here. Unloading the camera. This is what I see. Okay. Great. So now let me submit this. Great. So I've submitted this feedback and looking forward to the resolution of it as soon as possible.